Now, I would invite Khushi Diwan, a student of class 12th, to share some maths facts with us. Namaste, Khushi.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I am Khushi Diwan of class 12th from St. Vivekanand Millennium School. Today, I am going to share information related to the maths behind the Taj Mahal. A UNESCO's World Heritage Site, Taj Mahal is considered as the jewel of Muslim art in India, and it is one of the most remarkable examples of geometry and symmetry. The small fountain heads in the front divide the image of Taj Mahal into two equal and identical halves to mirror each other. The Taj Mahal has both horizontal and vertical reflection symmetry. The walking stones are laid in a pattern that combines square and elongated hexagons to create a regular octagons. The primary shape is pointed arc within a rectangle. This is employed on all scales at the complex, providing a sense of architectural unity throughout. The Taj Mahal displays golden proportion in the width of its grand central arc to its width, and also in the height of windows inside the arc to the height of the main section below the dome. All in all, the Taj Mahal is surely one of the world's most impressive and beautiful examples of the use of symmetry and geometry in architecture and design.
Thank you, Khushi.